What's crack-a-lackin', guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jay, and welcome to another video. I'm not gonna lie, last night as soon as I got home from shopping, I literally passed out because I don't know what got into me, but I just didn't feel good. But I just woke up 7 a.m. on the dot, and I'm still tired, so I am gonna go back to bed. But this video is going to be like a snowstorm vlog because this is like our first like actual snowstorm of this winter. So I figured, you know what, while I'm bored inside, why not film for you guys? So right now I was just doing some editing and I'm just chilling out. As I said, like I just feel a little weird. Then when I'm done, I'm about to go back to sleep. And then when I wake up, I want to journal, get in the shower, do my skincare, clean my room, play piano. Kind of a productive day. Not sure if I mentioned journaling, but I want to journal too. And I think I already mentioned that, but I straight up can't remember. But anyways, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys when I wake up. Okay guys, so right now I'm just about to get in the shower. I just worked out. So I'm going to be doing my skincare before I get in the shower, and I'm going to be using the La Roche-Posay Acne set. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this medicated gel cleanser, and then I'm going to use the clarifying solution, and then after I'm going to put the treatment on. But first we got to throw my hair up and take my necklace off. So that's what we're going to do. And my pink headband isn't down here, so I'm going to use this one. So don't mind me. I know I'm about to look a little bit crazy. Alright, I need to take this off so I don't get it wet. But yeah, I just worked out a little bit. And after we get out of the shower, I think I'm going to get some food and then see what assignments I have to do. I don't know. I might actually play piano. That sounds much better. Oops, I gotta fix that. So yeah, now that I'm ready to do my skincare, let's get out my skincare so I can get in the shower. Sitting here watching YouTube, and then I go downstairs to take my birth control, and I look outside, and keep in mind we had no snow for like this whole day, and I look outside and everything's white, and I was like, where the fuck did the snow come from? Because it was mostly just the wind. Like, the wind is so loud out there, like it's at least 50 miles an hour. I checked, it's at least 50 right now. I can't remember the exact number, but yeah, we had some pretty damn high winds, so if I were to go out there anyways, I'd blow away, but I'm not going out in no cold. I'm not going out in no winter storm. I can't wait for the storm to be over so I can see my boyfriend, because I love him so much. And I'm not even being sarcastic, I genuinely do. Speaking of my boyfriend, I gotta call him back. So I think I'm gonna finish the video I was watching, and then we're gonna play piano, check my laptop for any assignments that I gotta do, clean my room, and then we'll call him back. Just so I can get some stuff done, but also make time for him, because obviously I'm gonna make time for him. So anyways, I'm gonna finish watching what I was watching, and then we're gonna get busy again. It is Tuesday, January 16th, and it's my 17th birthday. How am I 17 already? Like, let's be so for real. So I'm just gonna be getting ready right now because my boyfriend wants to celebrate my birthday with me. And I also can't look like shit on my birthday. So yeah. I'm just gonna throw my hair back into a headband. My acne is really bad. As you'll already know, I got suspended for some bullshit. Anyway, so yeah, I've just been trying to enjoy my time at home. Like the first full day that I was suspended, I wasn't even like really home. I left at like 11 that morning. And then as soon as my boyfriend got out of school, because we went to go pick him up, we basically hung out since then. I did have my hearing and I'm out till February at least, but I could be out much longer till at least March. So that's fun, totally. I don't really mind my enjoy. I don't really mind being home, but I just miss EMS. That's all I want. But I'm still in EMS, so as soon as I go back, you guys already know I'm about to be so happy. But obviously I can't go back right now, which sucks, but what can you do, you know? I'm just thankful they even kept me in EMS because, girl, if they wouldn't have kept me in EMS, then I would have been kicked out for good. And I don't know about y'all, but I'm not trying. And I am definitely not trying to get kicked out of EMS. I literally love that place. And it's something I genuinely want to do. I was thinking about just being homeschooled, but I can't because of EMS, which literally sucks, but I'd rather be in EMS than be homeschooled. So I just don't know how to feel about shit lately. Yeah, you guys ever just get to that point where it's just like there's just so much bullshit going on, you just don't know how to feel about shit? That's me. That's me lately. Like, just gonna use some of this just to kind of cover up my acne a little bit because I fell asleep with makeup on the one night and I kind of broke out once again. And make sure that shit's real blended into my skin though. I need to stop making myself so tired and then not taking my makeup off. This is literally what's doing this to my skin. The only thing I don't like is that this doesn't have the best coverage and it makes me kind of orange. I'm not trying to look like Donald fucking Trump over here, especially on my birthday. So I am going to use an actual foundation to cover all of this up. I feel like I definitely want to do a brown kind of smoky eye. But the best palette for me to grab for a brown smoky eye is my Too Faced palette. My Too Faced gingerbread palette. I literally love this palette. See? It's so cute. It literally even smells like candy too. Not candy, but cookies. You know what I mean? Yeah, totally the same thing. Totally. So I'm going to do a little bit of a dark color. Right there. Also, what is it with people and just trying to keep drama going? It's so weird. Drama happens, yeah. And of course people are going to talk about it. Who does not talk about drama? Let's be so for real. But the thing is, to try and keep drama going is just weird. And if you don't like someone, don't fucking say anything to them. Move on. Don't be weird. It's really not that hard to not be fucking weird, but, you know, some people just don't get the memo. And I know there's people who are about to think I'm talking about them, when in reality I'm not, but if this shoe fits, then fucking wear it, Cinderella. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. And then also, why is it, like, with people when they talk shit about you, it's fine, but as soon as you talk shit about them, it's not? Like, I'm that type of person. I'll be nice, but when you piss me off, I can get real fucking disrespectful real quick. And I don't like to be like that. Like, I try and be as nice as possible to everybody, but sometimes you just gotta teach someone, you just gotta do what you gotta do. Because I used to let myself get walked all over. I used to be a big ass people pleaser. I'm still a people pleaser, but not as much. Like, if I don't like someone, I'm gonna be blunt about it, but I'm not gonna be a bitch about it. If that makes any sense. I'm not gonna, like, you know, like, be, like, a fucking cunt about it, but I'm definitely gonna make it clear, like, I don't like you. Should have just closed school today because we got this big ass snowstorm and the roads are horrible. But my district is my district. They're dumb as hell. So, I mean, what really can you expect from my school district? I'm not gonna obviously say, like, what school district I'm in, but you guys are dumb as fuck.